Hi there, I'm Emma and I'll be your guide through the stunning streets of Amsterdam. The Bloemenmarkt is our famous floating flower market. The scents here can be intoxicating: roses, tulips, orchids, each with its own allure. Which one catches your eye? In Amsterdam, beauty is everywhere, if you know where to look. Let's start our journey at the heart of the city, Dam Square. Can you feel the energy, the history? Now we're crossing the Magerbrug or Skinny Bridge. Legend says if you kiss here, you'll be together forever. Not that I'm suggesting anything. The Rijksmuseum is next. It's home to masterpieces by Rembrandt and Vermeer. Their eyes seem to follow you, don't they? Just like the paintings. Van Gogh's work is intense, passionate, kind of like the city itself if you look closely. Amsterdam is very much alive in the present. Let's lighten the mood in the Jordaan district. Narrow streets, boutiques, cafes, and beautiful people at every turn. Notice how the sunlight plays on the canal waters. It's almost like the city is winking at us. The 9 streets are a shopper's paradise, but I think you'll find the real treasures are the people you meet along the way. The city has a way of drawing you in, making you feel observed. And now, the red light district. It's not all what you might think. There's an energy here, a pulse. Feel how the atmosphere has changed? There's an electricity in the air, a tension you can almost touch. Let's end our tour at this brown cafe. It's cozy, intimate, the perfect place to reflect on all we've seen. Amsterdam is more than just canals and windmills. It's a city of hidden depths, of desires just below the surface. Can you feel it? The way strangers' eyes linger, the subtle flirtations, the promises whispered in dark corners. Thank you for letting me show you my Amsterdam.